Let's talk about the latest launch Tecno smartphone Camon 40 Pro with classic side-axis design. Now let's talk about the specifications of this smartphone. Firstly, talk about the display of this smartphone. This phone features with AMOLED curved display, 6.78 inches Full HD plus punch hole display, resolution of 1080 by 2436 pixels, approximately 94% screen-to-body ratio, approximately 393 ppi pixel density, 120 Hz refresh rate, and Corning Gorilla Glass 7 eye protection. And now talk about the camera of this smartphone, the smartphone with dual camera setup on the rear. That includes 50 megapixel 23mm Sony LYT700C sensor wide-angle main camera with aperture 1.9 and support optical image stabilization, along with 8 megapixel ultra-wide-angle camera with aperture 2.2 and dual LED flash. For selfies it has 50 megapixel centered punch hole wide-angle front-facing camera with aperture 2.5, video recording maximum 2K at 30 fps on both rear and front camera. 4. The software. The handset turns on Android 15 operating system, based on exclusive optimized version of iOS 15 screen on top the device, and the company provides up to 3 generations of OS updates and up to 5 years of security updates. Under the hood, the phone CPU is octa-core 2.2 GHz dual-core Cortex-A76 plus 2 GHz hexa-core Cortex-A55, powered by MediaTek Helio G100 Ultimate 6nm chipset, paired with Mali G57MC2 GPU. In terms of storage, the smartphone plugs with 8 GB of LPDDR4X RAM, with 8 GB of extended RAM, and 256 GB of UFS 2.2 on board storage. No microSD card slot. The physical dimensions of the smartphone measures at 164.44 by 74.32 by 7.31 millimeters, and it weighs around 178 grams, and the color options, Glacier White, Emerald, Lake Green, Galaxy Black colors to see in this smartphone, and the device comes backed by a massive 5200 mAh battery, with 45-watt wired superfast charging support. Additionally, the smartphone also features optical under-display fingerprint sensor for biometric authentication. With Face Unlock, the connectivity option on the phone includes dual SIM 4G, dual-band Wi-Fi 5, Bluetooth, GPS, USB Type-C headphone jack, with dual stereo speakers, Dolby Atmos support, USB Type-C charging port, infrared remote control support, AI features like AI Eraser, AI Image Extender, AI Perfect Face, AI GC Portrait, AI Translate, AI Writing, AI Full Link Call Assistant, AI Circle to Search, and AI Assistant called Ask Ella, IP68, IP69 dust tight and water resistant, one-tap flash snap support, and with NFC support. So now let's have a look at the pricing details of the smartphone. The Tecno Camon 40 Pro 4G has been priced for 8 GB plus 256 GB. Storage variant at 65,999 Pakistani rupees. Conclusion. So what do you guys think of this Tecno Camon 40 Pro 4G smartphone? Do let us know in the comments section below and subscribe for more tech updates. Thanks for watching. We'll see you guys in our next video.